Go to YouTube, search for watch different YouTube videos. Then come over to this brand new AI tool, press this generate button, and boom. You can get paid over $900, over $2,000, over $6,000, and even over $10,000 by watching YouTube videos. And the good thing is that it is free to do, and you can do it from any country around the world. And even if you don't have a PayPal account, you can still get paid directly into your bank account, which is really awesome. This is one of the secret methods to make money online. And if this video gets over 2,000 likes, I will share more of my secret methods to make money online with you on this channel. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to YouTube, of course, and watch different YouTube videos. All of us use YouTube on daily basis for entertainment, for finding some solutions to the problem, to learn new things, and much more. And today, I will show you my secret method to make money online by watching YouTube videos. Now you can watch your favorite videos on YouTube, like interesting gaming videos, challenge videos, funny compilation videos, educational videos, etc. And you can also watch your favorite creators' videos on YouTube for this method. But before we move further, comment down below your favorite creator name and why you love watching them. Also comment your country name below so that I can create more related videos for you. Okay, so I want you to select the topics and the channels that can appeal to a larger audience. And for this, I want to share with you guys the 2 best niche for the purpose of making money online with our secret method. So the first niche I want you to search for is the Facts channel niche. For example, the Ultimate Discovery channel. As you can see, they have very interesting, entertaining, and mysterious videos on their channel. And these types of videos appeal to a larger audience as well. If you select the popular filter from there, you can see that the video they posted 2 months ago got over 5 million views. Another video they posted 3 months ago got 5 million views too. The video they posted 4 months ago got over 3 million views. And just 5-month-old video got over 4 million views. So they have a banger video every month crossing over 3 to 4 million views at least. And the thing is, they just started a year ago. Now if I show you their channel stats on Social Blade, you can see that they are getting paid over $67,000 every month, taking $4 as their RPM. But the Facts niche generally gets $1 to $3 RPM. And even if we take just $2 RPM, they earned over $30,000 in the last month alone. And in last year, they got paid over $400,000 by YouTube. Now the second best niche I want you to search for is the Personal Finance and Investing niche. For example, The Swedish Investor is a personal finance and investing YouTube channel. They teach you how to manage your finances and how you can get better returns on your savings and investments. As you can see, their popular videos get anywhere from 1 million to 4 million views, which shows that this topic does appeal to a larger audience too. And if I show you their channel stats on Social Blade, you can see that according to Social Blade, they got over 800,000 views in the last month and earned over $3,000. But Social Blade is taking $4 RPM for calculating this channel's revenue. But this type of finance channels get over $18 RPM. Even if we take $12 RPM, they have earned well over $10,000 in the last month alone. For the purpose of this video, I am going with the Personal Finance and Investing niche. So once you select the niche you are going to watch, the step number 2 is to come over to this secret AI tool called invideo AI. I will leave a link to this tool in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. You can use that link to come to the invideo AI and register yourself either using your Google Mail account or using your Apple ID. invideo AI is a tool where you can create publish-ready videos with your own voice using simple text prompts. For example, you just need to write the simple prompt for the type of video you want to create and press Generate a Video, and the invideo AI will create stunning videos for you in your voice. But don't worry, you don't need to do the voiceover for each and every video. They have a smart voice cloning AI that helps you clone your voice on invideo AI so that you can use it in the videos generated by invideo. No other video creation tool offers this at the moment and is a huge leap for users who are starting their content creation journey or running faceless YouTube channels, because when you have your own voice in the video, then you have a higher chance of getting monetized on YouTube as compared to the videos with AI voice. And to clone your voice, you just need to click on these 3 lines on left-hand side and select the Voices option under Plugins. You will be taken to this page where you can see that you can create a digital clone of your voice by uploading your voice recording here. So just click on this box, and here you have to submit your voice recording of at least 30 seconds. Make sure you mention in the beginning of the recording, I give invideo AI the permission to use use my voice, because as a responsible AI company, they want to only give you an option to clone your own voice. Therefore, this is mandatory to mention it, and the voice cloning process will not take place if you do not mention this. You can pause in between the sentences like you would normally do. Now you can use your mobile phone or your laptop to record your voice. It is not necessary to use high-quality equipment for recording, so just select your recording from your device and upload it. Check all of these boxes and just press this button. It will take some time to analyze your recording, and after that you can just click on Done. Now here you can click on this icon, and you can rename your voice in case you want to add multiple voices, and you can add different name for different voices. And then we just wait for the processing to complete. Once your voice clone is ready, you can directly click on Use, and it will automatically add settings in your prompt, where you can now write a prompt for the type of video you want invideo AI to create for you. Then press this Generate button, and the invideo AI will create a stunning video for you using your voice. And for the prompt, the step number 3 is, you can watch different YouTube videos in the niche you are interested in, and select the popular video ideas from there. Then come over to invideo AI and write a prompt in this box. For example, we can write something like, create a long video around low-risk ways to earn more interest on your money, and how we should allocate our savings to get the highest returns possible. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the results will be. Now just press this Generate a Video button, and the invideo AI will start researching the topic, and in just 3 to 5 minutes, you will be provided with the video with your voice in it. So let's watch this video in my voice created by invideo AI. Are you seeking low-risk avenues to earn more interest on your money? Well, stay tuned as we dive deep into the world of financial planning to unearth the secrets of allocating savings for higher returns. First and foremost, it's essential to understand that financial planning isn't just about saving. So as you can see, it has generated a very creative script for the video. The voiceover using my voice is just amazing. And if you can hear, there is nice background music, which aligns with our video theme. Not only that, if you scroll through the video, you can see that it has even added the text to the video for us. Don't worry about the watermark on the video. You can remove them while exporting the video. And if you think that this is already impressive, just wait till you see what else it can do. So the next thing is to edit this video if you don't like something, or if you just want to add something to the video or remove something from it. So there are 3 ways you can go about editing this. The first way to edit this is having the invideo themselves regenerate the complete video for you, which you can do by clicking on this regenerate icon over here, and the invideo will provide you with the second and new version of the video. The second way to edit your videos is by doing it manually. To do this, you want to click on this edit button under the video. A pop-up window will open up, and it will give you 2 options: to edit the media or to edit the script. Starting with the edit media, you can see all the different media in video used to generate the video. And as you can see, whenever you click on a particular media, it highlights the part of the script for which the media was used. So for example, if we don't want this first clip in the video, you can either click upload and upload something from your computer device, or you can search for different stock footage from over 8 million stock footage available on invideo. So whatever you want for the video, you can search that into the search bar. And on the stock option, you can select all and hit enter. Then it will search for the image or the video, and it will show you all the different stock footage related to your search term. And you can just simply select any of the media from here, and it will be replaced from that scene. All you need to do is hit apply changes, and then the invideo AI will start changing the media. Now the video is ready, and if we hit play, again, as you can see, it has replaced the scene with the clip that we selected. And now if you want to manually edit the script, you can click Edit Script over here, and here we can see the entire script, and we can change any part of the script or the whole script if we want to. Also, you can add a whole new chapter by clicking on these 3 dots and selecting either the Add Chapter Before or Add Chapter After option from there. Once you have made changes, just click on Apply Changes, and the invideo AI will apply the changes to your video. Now the third way to edit the video is by just typing in this box what you need to be changed, edited, or replaced in the video. You can ask it to add a new intro to the video, you can ask it to change the pace of the video, change the background music, increase the volume of the background music, change the voiceover to a male British voice or to any other region voice, and much more. You can also add your voice to your other invideo AI videos by just typing in this box, change the voice to the name of your voice in the voice cloning plugin. Basically, you can tell this AI to pretty much make any changes to the video, and it will apply the exact same changes to the video. So for example, if I open up any of my previous videos I created on invideo AI. Let's first listen to this video and see how it sounds.
Ever pondered what it would be like to hurtle through the vast cosmos, witnessing stars and galaxies whiz by?
And if I type in this box, change the voice to CashPro, and press generate, the invideo AI will take a few seconds, and it will present me with the video with my voiceover in it. So let's listen to it again. Ever pondered what it would be like to hurtle through the vast cosmos, witnessing stars and galaxies whiz by? Such a fantastical dream, once confined to the realms of science fiction, has increasingly become a tangible reality. So as you heard, the voiceover of this video has been changed to my voice, which is really awesome. Now, one important thing is that invideo AI has an app that is available on iOS that has the exact same interface, and you can use the same steps to create videos on the go, and you can access the videos you create on the web and the app. I will leave a link in the description of this video, and you can access the invideo AI for free using that link. Now, once you are satisfied with the video, the step number 4 is to export the video. So just click on where it says export and select export video from there. Then you want to select the resolution of your video. Just make sure you have 1080p selected. Now if you want, you can export the video with iStock and Storyblocks watermark on it. But if you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, which I highly recommend, you should upgrade to a paid plan which starts at as low as $20 per month. Because to use your voice in the videos and to monetize these videos, you will need a premium plan of invideo AI. This is the ideal plan for the type of videos we want to create with invideo AI. And once you download the video, you can upload the same to your YouTube channel. And you can start to make money like this once you get monetized on YouTube. Then just rinse and repeat. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.